Hello, my name is Bob Ludwigson, Product Manager for MG Systems for over 27 years. I'd like to talk to you about the challenge industry faces today in realizing more productivity from thermal cutting systems in their plants. This includes the removal of the waste products from this cutting. These problems are present in high amperage plasma cutting and thick oxy-fuel cutting. MG has the answer, the Slagger. Our customers tell us that there are three main problems regarding cutting: smoke, plasma energy, and slag removal. Let's take a quick look at these. High amperage plasma torches produce huge quantities of smoke. The Slagger table easily captures the smoke due to an efficient smoke collecting system. Even though this 15-foot wide table is only 50% covered, all of the smoke is collected from 400 amp plasma cutting 1¼ inch plate. Now the smoke collector is turned off. See the volume of smoke. The collector is turned back on and the smoke is quickly drawn back into the table. This amazing smoke collection on the Slagger is accomplished by means of a zoned and ducted cutting table connected to an efficient cartridge-type smoke collector. Each table zone is only 32 inches long. Smoke is pulled from only one zone, so that the amount of air is kept to a minimum. This reduces the size of the dust collector. Other tables do not collect smoke as efficiently and require much larger dust collectors. Smoke is collected by a damper door system on the table and a cam mounted on the machine. The cam opens the damper door directly, without any pneumatic or electric controls. The smoke is then ducted out of the table through a spark trap to a cartridge-type filter system. When the filters are full of dust, they are cleaned automatically using air blasts to blow the dust off the filter's surface. Another challenge is that modern plasma torches eject material into the table at over 45,000 degrees, potentially destroying everything in its path. Over the years, MG has built hundreds of Slagger tables. We have more experience than anyone in the industry. We know how to effectively contain this energy. The Slagger has no moving parts under the table, such as chains, moving buckets, or wire ropes to get damaged. A rack and pinion system moves the Slagger blade through the table. The rack is completely shielded from damage. But the best is yet to come. How do you clean out the slag? With a Slagger, you'll never have to manually clean out slag from under a table again. Here's how it works. The cutting machine is run to the park position at the back of the table. The Slagger blade is switched on. This patented blade pushes the slag through the table, opening the zone divider doors along the way. The blade leaves a clean surface. The blade pushes the slag into a pan at the front of the table. When the slag pan is full, it can be dumped into a waste bin, even during cutting. The Slagger cleans heavy slag from oxy-fuel cutting. This blade has just pushed over a ton of slag to the front of the table. The Slagger blade is also useful in pushing out small parts that drop into the table. The MG Slagger table is the only table that removes both smoke and slag without disassembly or special tools, handles plasmas of all amperage without damaging the table, can be cleaned in approximately 5 minutes for the average table. This greatly increases your shop's productivity. In many cases, the Slagger table will pay for itself in cleaning cost savings in just 1 year. Your shop can't afford to be without a Slagger.